Okay, this is the question. Charles and Lily had some stickers. 1/3 of Charles' stickers was 160, more than 120% of Lily's stickers. They had a total of 2,550 stickers. How many stickers did Charles have? For this type of question, I will suggest a three-step rule, three-step method to solve such a particular kind of question, especially when the direct relationship between the number of stickers Charles has to that of Lily is given. And what are these three steps? Of course, these three steps can interchange. From step 1 can become step 2, and step 2 can become step 1. First step, or rule number 1, assign units. Number 2, identify relationship between the subjects and express in units, so that when all are expressed in units, if possible, that solving the units becomes possible, and then eventually to solve the question. Let's proceed to find out how we can actually apply these three methods, these three ways, in order to solve this particular question. From the question, we are told that 1/3 of Charles' stickers was 160, more than 120% of Lily's stickers. Let's say if we assign Lily to have a certain number of units, we will be able to find out what is 120% of it. Of course, when students see their percentage sign, the first thing that comes to mind is always 100 units. Well, you could call Lily, the number of stickers that Lily has, to be 100 units. But of course, you can go for a smaller number, such as 10 units, or even a smaller number. So what is the right number to use? We can actually use ratio to help us find it. How do we go about doing it? Rightfully, Lily should have 100%. And we want to find out what is 120% of this. So reduce it to the lowest term in the simplest form, you'll get 5 is to 6. So I will choose the number of stickers that Lily has to be 5 units, because 120% of 5 units will give us a whole number, 6 units. But of course, students will not be penalized if they were to use 10 units, 100 units. I'm just trying to minimize the possibility of making careless mistake by going for the smallest possible number. Right, now that we have assigned a certain number of units for Lily, we will know how to express the number of stickers that Charles has in terms of the units too. So we are told that Charles, 1/3 of Charles' stickers was 160, more than 120% of Lily's stickers, and 120% of Lily's stickers is 6 units. So plus another 160, it is only 1/3 of Charles' stickers. So the total number of stickers that Charles have, you will have to add on another 2 times of what we see just now. And this is the total number of stickers that Charles have. Now that we are able to express the number of stickers that both Lily and Charles have in terms of units, we can proceed to solve the units, because we are told that they had a total of 2,550 stickers. So this is how the last step would be to solve the units. Lily, remember, is 5 units. Charles, you will have 18 units plus 480, and then this is the total. From there, students should know how to proceed to solve the question. Alright, so 5 units plus 18 units will give us 23 units. 23 units is equivalent to 2,550 minus 480, and that gives us 2,070. Right, 1U is 90, so since we have solved the units, we know how to find how many stickers Charles has. So Charles would have 18U plus 480, and that gives us 2,100 stickers. That's the end of the presentation. I hope you have fun learning. Thank you. Bye.